we're opening the lines now to the listeners. Listeners, it's your time to come and ask questions of Harry, Scratchy, or myself. Listeners' time. Your feedback for the next 22 minutes. Listeners, your time, your questions, your involvement, your engagement, your time. Come right up. Eight 858-9553 WhatsApp. The Zelle account for your contribution, 954-635-8732. First caller, Saucy Boss. Saucy Boss, the team is here, so Scratchy's here and Harry. Who you want to talk to?
Well, neighbor, me just come big up in the car. Through a really long time, I really pass through still car. Show me kind of busy still car. Show me kind of the upon the JUTC bus them out them help them out.
Oh, you work at JUTC?
Me not really work at JUTC, but more time me there, me kind of afraid for work. Even with the one kind of allegation they are growing in the start.
No. Leave that alone. Yeah.
You know, so me just go and do my thing with them,
Yes, sir.
But I don't know work thing still. Me just they are volunteering their job still.
Saucy, but you're a saucy man.
Yeah.
What I mean that, man?
You're a saucy boss, yeah, man. You don't know sharp in the road,
You're the Spanish town, sir?
No, man, me there watch man. I'm there watch.
Oh yes. Okay.
Yeah,
When I'm coming through that area, we call you, man.
Yeah, man, me there right in the bus park this man. There's me do my business and thing,
Yes, nice.
Yeah, man. So JOTC bus them come on them and them nice and thing, nice luxury bus them.
Yes.
And I do a good thing, man. I do a good work,
That is good, sir.
Yeah, man.
That is good.
People love him, man. So me man know where we get the people my number in the morning for line up and go in for the bus see me.
All right.
Let me say then harass them one another,
Yes. How is your family doing?
Well, everybody alright so far,
Your wife?
Yeah, she's okay, and it's a blessing,
Yeah, blessing to you.
Yeah, man.
How much years you married?
Marriage from 2022. That don't be how much now. Something like about 4 years now.
Oh, you're young married man. You're still up on your honeymoon. Wow.
Yeah, but I got feel.
Yes. Sharp like a what?
Yeah, man.
Sir, you're not 40 yet.
Yeah, man, I'm just 40 man, January. I'm just 40.
Yes. Enjoy the wife of your youth. So you know that the Bible said that. Enjoy the wife of your youth.
Yes, man. Really, I enjoy it.
You're enjoying her.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Very nice. Say hi to her for me, sir.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Big up yourself. Take care of yourself. Any kids yet?
I want love. No, not yet.
What are you waiting on?
Huh?
What are you waiting on?
Well, I hope I look at things, cause in my life I hope I ups and down and even get sick later and sick clean, I know.
Yes.
Sometimes you're young and you fight for life and they're all about.
I will tell you something, sir. You should never worry too much about the survival of children.
Yes.
Sir. They will always be okay.
Yes.
I'm telling you that. No worry about that, man. You'll get the lady pregnant.
Yes, man. I hope I struggle never come to you say you have ambition and you want things in life and you fight and you have this focus on you just up and down and look life and so
yes.
Sometimes now your days you're second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, God call upon you.
My mother had 7 of us.
Yes.
And those were difficult days, and we never suffer, so we never go a bit hungry yet. God always make a way, man. Go ahead, man.
That's true.
Yeah. A better time now.
That's true.
Right now, me I look forget one of the 2.
What? Yeah, one.
Yes. 2 or 3.
What? Yeah.
I wouldn't mind if you threw them come one time.
They what?
Yeah, one time.
One time, yes.
Sir?
Yeah,
you have your quiver full of them.
Yeah.
and when you hold and want your newspaper to read, them around on the house and Of course.
That nice. That nice.
Right now, me da love to get one to say, Sheneke, come here, bring little water, come be your daddy. Come.
Kids nice for real.
Oh Lord.
Especially
Yes,
manners, you know. No doubt about it, you know. No doubt.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Shanae, carry one little pizza cake, come be your daddy, make it eat. Right now, me have to go get up. Go now a little bit. You understand me? I need them, man. One of them that right on my foot, yes, right now. I say, Daddy, hurry up and come hurry up, come watch TV.
I true, man. I fax you at I true to them, man.
Yes. So,
nice. So you know this star because me not left on them time. Then me just jump through back for all out the star, man. You know.
Yes.
I'm there with you right through the storm, you know,
right through the storm, sir. Right through the storm.
Until the internet they get mess up on night time until you know things, man.
But be nice to hear from you, man. Nice to hear from you.
Yeah, man, I bless it, man. And, you know, man, you know, me like what go on still, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I bless it, and him, you know. Yeah, man, and so we are go through budget and all them things there, so.
Yes, the finance minister close the budget tomorrow.
Yes. So we see like what go on budget and thing.
Well, it's the best they can do right now, you know, sir. We have to be honest, you know.
True.
Yeah.
Water, beer, and gas.
That's a foolishness, sir. That's a foolishness. Right now, sir, I have about everywhere I go, I get a bottle of water. You know, I went to a place yesterday and they give me 2 bottles of water. I still have them. I drink them yet. But they didn't give me 2 bottles of tropical rhythm. The box that I have long time.
Hey, Andrew, what is full of style still? Andrew say, I don't trust that man to run. I don't trust that man to run my country.
Can you imagine? Yes, very good. Very good from 1 p.m.
I 1 p.m. man.
1 p.m.
And you have to him got the anti-bad mind.
Yes. That go viral, eh?
Hey, the man creative, you know, man.
He is.
The best thing about it, I lie. The best thing is come about.
Yeah, yes, you're right about that.
Yeah, man, he's full of creativity, man. You know, what you admire, me not watching doing things, you know.
Yeah, man.
When it comes to business and certain things, they are full of creativity and something that people all love, you know.
Yes, you're right about that.
Yeah, man, that really thing, you know. You can't just jive so and you're not putting no flavor, you know. I'm telling you, the boss everything locked. Yeah, man.
Boss have everything locked.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. I'm going, man, you know. 1 p.m. straight. Yeah, man. So, best of yourself, neighbor, and your family and everybody. Caroline, best of yourself, see you. Scratchy, see you way.
Yeah, bless up yourself too, sir.
Yeah, man. Everybody on your life, see you. Bless up on yourself.
Respect to you, my brother. Respect to you.
Yeah, man. God on time.
God on time. That's all we say. Big up.
Yeah, man. I'm in Pernell, you know.
Colonel.
Yeah, man.
You're not a colonel, sir?
No, sir.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Colonel.
Yeah, man. Sassy, that's a nickname, you know. Alright, big up.
Okay, all right. General Colonel on the
Yeah, man. Come here out and I start a big one, alleged.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Big up. All right, 16 after 9 o'clock, and we have another 14 minutes to go. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to contribute to the conversation, ask a question, or to share a comment? The lines are open for you. Let's take your calls at this time. 17 after 9 o'clock. Yeah. No calls. Okay. All right. Good. Let's go in for final comments then. All right, Scratchy.
Yes, Neil.
Yeah, but Scratchy, we have to continue to highlight the missteps and of course the mistakes that were made in the past that they are trying to rewrite history. So we did that tonight, Scratchy, and you did very good at putting everything in context and making people understand that we're on the right path, no?
Definitely, neighbor. Definitely on the right path, man.
Yes.
Definitely on the right path. I wanna sell nobody no dream or the believe and make believe, you know?
Yes.
Just who can see how views can hear definitely hear neighbor, but definitely on the right path, man. On the right path. Dotting all the I's and crossing all the T's and it's just so same neighbor because a lot of the stuff that is currently being done right now are stuff that should have been done long 15, 20 years ago, you know?
Yes.
It's just so sad that the government has to be doing back these remedial works over these things right now, you know? Stuff that we should have been done. Jamaica should have passed road, rebuilding of roads and stuff like that, neighbor. We should have built out the road network from 20, 25 years ago, you know? But we still have to be focusing on rebuilding roads and stuff like that. When you see how much communities, a country that is branded as land of food and water, and so much communities still don't have potable water nearby, just, you know? Government have to be installing how much in water CMA. These are things that should have been done 15, 20 years ago. So just a shame, but despite it being a shame, it's also a good feeling to know that we have someone at the head right now who see the importance of these things and definitely pushing forward to making sure that our grandkids or our kids don't come and have to face the reality of what we're facing, you know? Where they have to be still building our road network and stuff like that. Hopefully by that time they will reach a level where it's all about maintenance, you know? Right. Instead of major construction and major infrastructure development, we should be maintaining whatever we have built. So I just want to say to Jamaicans, well-thinking Jamaicans, just continue to stay steady, continue to be focused. You know, persons in the diaspora, country asks for your support CMA. Persons in the diaspora, the country asks for your support CMA, the country asks for our strength CMA. We know a lot of persons in the diaspora neighbors see Jamaicans in retirement, even more now than ever. More than ever right now, Jamaicans want to come home. Jamaicans want to come back and invest. Jamaicans want to retire in their country neighbor because there's no place like Jamaica in the neighbor. We're the smallest nation neighbor with the biggest impact on the world. Jamaica is the smallest country neighbor that has stopped the world clock on more than one occasion where we have stopped the clock with the whole world have to stand and watch us, you know, and give us our glory and give us our praises. You look at every single sector across the world, we have dominated, you know, sports. We're like a small nation, produce the fastest man in the world. Jamaica, the first small English-speaking Caribbean country to qualify for a FIFA World Cup. You know, say all a bobsled team here. When you say Jamaica dominating bobsled, the bobsled, a tropical country like Jamaica, dominating bobsled, basketball, and look at the type of persons who hold our nationality, who hold high office across the world and stuff like that. When you talk about civil rights movement, you look at someone like a Marcus Garvey. You know, so music, Bob Marley impact the world through music. Usain Bolt through sports. So all of the major things neighbor across the world neighbor, we have make our mark on it neighbor. And it's just so sad neighbor that from a personal standpoint or from a country standpoint neighbor, a country that produces these type of people who have the impact on the world neighbor, we are not benefiting to the true, or we are not benefiting from our true potential as a result of a inept or a poor governance neighbor, poor governance from a political organization that was in power from 1989 to 2007.
Yes.
They hinder our growth and development. And we just have to bounce back, push back. We have a saying, we say when the dead, no dash it away. We lick about Utalawa. So I believe in Jamaica alone, neighbor. I believe in Jamaicans. I believe in Jamaica on a whole. And I believe that for the first time in our history, or in first time in how many years, we have a prime minister who we can identify with.
Yes.
Prime minister who understand what it is like, neighbor, to have nothing. A prime minister who understands what it is like, neighbor, to go to a school that might not be considered as one of the traditional high schools or one of the mainstay high schools the Jamaicans like to rush to. So, we're a prime minister, neighbor, who we can identify with, neighbor. And I think the reason why it is so easy for him to know what our needs and what our wants are, neighbor, because of his reality, where he's coming from. So, Jamaica just continue steadfast, neighbor, call upon the diaspora heavily to just give the strength, neighbor, because whatever the advancement of Jamaica neighbor cannot be done by the government alone. Government can put in policies, government can put in programs, government can spend, yes, but we know that it is up to the citizens neighbor to rise and help in the advancement of the country. And persons in the diaspora, we ask everybody just continue, see up on the money, see how best we can own a piece of the rock. You know, because I can tell you 20, 30 years from now, it's going to be difficult to own any piece of land in Jamaica. So persons in the diaspora, CFP, if you don't have to build it up right now, but you can buy a piece of land right now, I would definitely advise you to invest in your country. And the best way to invest in your country is by owning a piece of the rock, you know. Don't support anything that has to bring down our nation. Let's continue to build Jamaica, neighbor. Jamaica is the place of choice to live, raise family, and do business. I don't care about missing the 2030 dead mark. And I want the 2030 as a mark and say, because we're not going to make it to 2030, that means we'll fail. We don't fail. We just have setbacks. And we will definitely overcome those setbacks. But I definitely see Jamaica, neighbor, as a place of choice to live, raise our family, and do business. And for the persons who continue to bash, I know I might have said scratching the lip of Jamaica and scratching just love company platform and roll up in mouth, you know. Despite not living in Jamaica, Jamaica is my birthplace, neighbor. Jamaica is my country, neighbor. Jamaica will always be my first home. Jamaica is where I love and stuff like that. And you know, they said about 3 million there and 3 million here. So all 3 million of us outside of the diaspora will play our role same way. We have business in Jamaica. A lot of us still pay taxes in Jamaica. A lot of us even help with remittance. Remittance is our biggest foreign exchange earner in Jamaica. I will play our part in remittance, in terms of sending money. Yes. In terms of sending back money to Jamaica and stuff like that. So that's why everybody to know that we all play a role, neighbor, whether you're on the rock or outside of the rock. We all play our role. So whether you're here or there, don't bash anybody. I don't feel like you're left out. Just know that we all have a role to play in the advancement and the development of Jamaica, neighbor. Yes, I am a Labourite. A proud one too. Because, neighbor, I strongly support this political organization because I know where we're coming from, neighbor. I remember as a child, Jamaica Labour Party losing election after election, neighbor. I saw the look on my parents' face and my grandparents' face and other members of the community. You know, I saw the pressure we come under. I saw how difficult it was for family members to get job because they supported the Jamaica Labour Party. I saw first and the victimization, neighbor, that will come under supporting this noble organization, neighbor. And I am proud right now to say that this is a third-term party, neighbor. I never see this coming. I am very proud, neighbor, to be a Labourite. I am very proud to support this organization. And not just being a Labourite alone make me proud, neighbor, but I am also proud to know that it is the Jamaica Labour Party who formed the government right now who's responsible for the advancement of Jamaica, neighbor. All well thinking Jamaica and just continue to play with part, neighbor. That's all I have to say. And good night, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Catch you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. All right, Sandra Blue.
How are you, neighbor?
Yeah, you have 1 minute or two. Go ahead.
Yes, I just want to say that I never get tired of listening to Mr. Scratchy, you know, and the way he come across with his words. No, this is one thing I have to say to the PMP party, that no matter what that stage show at Prime Minister Andrew Holness, he will always be a conqueror. No matter what that they're going to show at him, he will always come back 10 times heavy than a cannonball to bulldoze down their old house.
Cannonball.
We're not going to live on no more Tata bus.
Heavy than a cannonball.
No more dirty bus.
Yes, sir.
And when I say cannonball,
yes, sir,
I mean with words of action.
Yes.
Because he don't joke.
Okay.
When he come on to action, he don't joke. And that's why I love my Prime Minister. No matter what, I will always be a Labourite, and I will always be voting for.
Is your phone that, sir? Is your phone a ring?
Yes, sir. I've been getting a call from night, you know. But
is your girlfriend that call you?
No, sir. It's somebody else. You know, but I just so excited, you know, for the new project that I, you know, been hearing, you know, that the Prime Minister is about to make.
Yes, sir. It's strong like a cannonball.
Yes, man. He's about to build a training center in Chilani, you know.
Yes.
Yes, man, and the people them down there love him so much.
Wow. Uh-huh.
And we are
Tell me.
just hoping that he put up one here in Clarendon as well.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we still have a lot of young youths, that is roaming around, in the streets, don't have an education, them clueless, of certain things. I'm just praying that, them put up one in Clarendon here soon, so that everybody can, partake, of the
So you
skills
have two phones. Hold on. You have two phones, sir?
Well, I have a digital phone here,
And you have a flow?
Yeah.
Oh, you have two phones, sir?
Yeah.
Wow. Why you need two phones?
One for business and one for regular call.
Oh, what the Rockstone you're saying to me?
Because I'm actually in farming now,
Oh yes.
I have my land that I'm preparing, for cultivation.
Which one of them your girlfriend call you on? If your girlfriend want to talk to you, which one of them?
Anyone at any given time.
Oh, she have both numbers?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
I miss you guys so much,
take one of the phone, take one and call the other one and say, hello. Do that.
Easy, me throw some uppercuts since the night, man.
Me, sir?
Yes, man, me throw some uppercut, man.
What you saying?
Rolling, man.
No, sir. No, sir, not at all.
I think they need to pack and go.
Oh, pack and go.
And just leave the rest of the work, for the Prime Minister to do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are
because he had a dream for Jamaica, and he's about to fulfill that dreams. And it's us as the young people in general need to partner with him. We need to stand by him no matter what these people are saying, because we the young people love him.
Yes, sir.
And we like the work that he's doing, and he must continue to do what he has to do for the Jamaican people.
Yes.
That's all I have to say about my Prime Minister. I will never stop from voting for him.
That is good. All right, sir. Take care of yourself.
Same to you and to Mr. Harry and to Miss Caroline and everyone.
Say hi to the young lady. Say hi to the young lady for me.
Hi, Miss Caroline.
No. Your young lady are talking.
I just want to say hi to my beautiful and lovely future wife to be. Yeah.
Wow.
That's my baby.
Your what?
My baby. She's my everything.
That's why you call her baby?
Yeah.
Wow. So when you call her on the phone, that you say, hello, baby?
Yes, I just say, sweetheart. How you do?
You say, hello, baby, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Wow.
So the labor right people, them always full of talk.
What are you saying to me?
Yes, man, we are always full of talk, man. We never shy away from nothing.
So when you call her, you say, hello, baby?
Same way, sir. Same way, sir.
That is nice. That sounds very romantic. Wow. And what she call you?
Honey Bunch.
Honey Bunch. Wow. So when you say hello, baby, she say, hello, Honey Bunch.
Yeah.
I tell you, sir? I'm sitting, Radam, brother. I'm sitting over here feeling a little jealous of you. You gone clear, man. A long time nobody call me Honey Bunch. What, Honey Bunch?
Yes, man. That is the name.
Honey Bunch or
yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yes, that's nice, sir. I can just imagine. Can just imagine. I will ask you. I will.
we are living our lives, and things, we are.
You live life. You live life.
Yes, man. She's really a good woman to me, and You know, me have to stand beside her, you know.
Me
I have to
dear,
stand beside her.
me dear, big up yourself, brother.